Welcome to the Adobe Photoshop CS6 series. As Photoshop evolved, there are three basic components of Adobe Photoshop. First is Bridge. Using Adobe Bridge, you will be able to explore and manage the content, means your photographs, so that you will be able to find the photographs whenever you want. Second is Adobe Camera Raw. This is great tool for photographers because you will be able to enhance your photographs that you take from your camera. And third is Photoshop itself. Now, I am using Windows 8 operating system and a 64-bit version. If you are using a different operating system, your configuration and look and appearance will be a slightly different than mine. Second, I am using Photoshop CS6. So, if you are using any lower version of Photoshop, there is no need to worry because the basics and fundamentals will be the same. To open Photoshop in Windows 8, we'll go to the Start menu and find out Adobe Photoshop. Mine is here. Based on your system configuration, it may take up several seconds to load. Now it is loaded. So Photoshop will be a great experience for you and me. We will explore a lot of exciting ways to work with Photoshop and master all the skills that will make you a successful professional. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.